This automatic costs half as much as any other entry-level screen printing machine on the market. Everybody knows that to compete in the world of screen printing, you need to buy an automatic. Pulling squeegees all day is very physically demanding, and you will not be able to compete with the guy next door who has an automatic machine. The problem with buying an automatic is it will take days, if not weeks, just to have it installed into your shop. So this means that you will spend an average of over $50,000 plus thousands more just for installation. But what if I told you you could only spend half the cost? Half. Not only will you spend half, but you will not have to hire someone to install the equipment. This will save you thousands of dollars and plenty of time to focus on the more important things that matter for your business. This is the LP4XL. It is 7.5 feet of compact brilliance. It comes with 4 colors and 1 flash gear with a 12 by 12 inch print area. It is everything you need to either start up a new shop or to free up space on your larger automatics. Stop looking for big, bulky, expensive automatics and find something that suits your business needs the best. The RapidTag LP4XL. If you're interested in getting pricing on the LP4XL, click the link below and fill out the contact form, or call us at 951-296-2595, or leave your contact information below in the comments and we will get in touch with you in the next 24 hours. Thank you very much.